welcome to our lipstick. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my full AOA Studio collection liquid lipsticks, and I'm going to be doing swatches for you. So in case you guys were ever interested in the AOA Studio liquid lipsticks and trying some of them out, I figured I would show you the different colors that I have on my lips so you can see what they look like on a pale skin tone, so they're pretty true to color. So yeah, I have a total of I think 13 of them to show you guys. So I'm just going to do some quick swatches, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So just a little background on these liquid lipsticks. They are from Shop Miss A, so I will link the website down below. The brand is AOA Studio, and they're only $1. So what I love about these is that they're so pigmented for only $1. You do have to build up the color payoff. Usually 2 coats is enough. But they're a little bit more of a watery consistency, so the very first coat is going to be very sheer. So once you build them up to the second coat, you're going to get a nice, beautiful consistency like this. So this is only 2 coats of this, which is amazing for $1. I really love the formula of these. There are a few that are a little bit more moussey in texture, and those are a little bit harder to work with. There are a couple colors that are hit or miss when it comes to the formula, but all the ones that I have are pretty good, except with the exception of the very first one that I swatched, which I believe was peach. That one is a little bit of an odd consistency. It has more of a moussey texture, and it's a little hard to work with, but that's the only one that I've had problems with out of all the ones that I own. So hopefully there aren't too many that are like that in the collection. There are quite a few shades, so I definitely will link the website down below if you want to check it out. I'm not affiliated or anything. I'm just not. So I will link that down below if you're interested. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.